Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we explore the most fascinating topics in technology. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of HBAR, the cryptocurrency that's revolutionizing blockchain technology. Get ready to uncover the power of HBAR and understand why it's making waves in the crypto community. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Introduction to HBAR. HBAR, short for Hedera Hashgraph, is the native cryptocurrency of the Hedera network, which is a decentralized public network built on groundbreaking technology. Unlike traditional blockchain networks, which rely on a chain of blocks to record and validate transactions, Hedera Hashgraph utilizes a unique consensus algorithm known as Hashgraph. The Hashgraph algorithm operates on a directed acyclic graph (DAG) structure, where transactions are recorded and linked in a way that enables fast, secure, and fair consensus. This means that transactions on the Hedera network can be confirmed within seconds, offering an unparalleled level of speed compared to traditional blockchains. One of the key advantages of the Hashgraph algorithm is its scalability. Unlike some blockchain networks that face limitations in terms of the number of transactions they can process per second, Hedera Hashgraph can handle a massive throughput, making it highly suitable for applications requiring high transaction volumes. In addition to its speed and scalability, HBAR and the Hedera network prioritize security. The Hashgraph algorithm ensures the integrity of the network by preventing various types of attacks, such as double spending and Sybil attacks. This robust security framework makes Hedera Hashgraph a reliable platform for businesses and individuals looking for a secure and efficient transaction environment. Furthermore, HBAR serves as a utility token within the Hedera ecosystem. It has multiple use cases, including payment for network services, participating in consensus by staking HBAR, and accessing decentralized applications and services built on the Hedera platform. As the native cryptocurrency of the Hedera network, HBAR plays a vital role in incentivizing network participants and facilitating the efficient operation of the decentralized ecosystem. Its value and utility continue to grow as more applications and services are developed on the platform and as adoption of the network expands. In summary, HBAR is the native cryptocurrency of the Hedera network, powered by the innovative Hashgraph consensus algorithm. It offers fast, secure, and fair transactions, along with scalability and robust security features. As the network continues to evolve, HBAR's utility and potential for growth are set to increase, making it an exciting asset to watch in the world of cryptocurrency. The technology behind HBAR. Hedera Hashgraph's Hashgraph consensus algorithm is a groundbreaking technology that forms the foundation of the HBAR network. Unlike traditional blockchain networks that rely on a linear chain of blocks, the Hashgraph algorithm utilizes a directed acyclic graph (DAG) structure to achieve consensus among nodes. In the Hashgraph algorithm, every node in the network communicates with other nodes by exchanging information about transactions and their timestamps. This information is then used to construct a graph, where each transaction forms a vertex, and the edges represent the order and timestamp of the transactions. By analyzing the flow of information through the graph, the Hashgraph algorithm can determine the consensus order of the transactions, even in the presence of malicious nodes or network delays. This consensus process ensures that all nodes in the network agree on the order of transactions, enabling a high level of security and trust in the system. One of the significant advantages of the Hashgraph algorithm is its exceptional speed. Transactions on the HBAR network can be confirmed within seconds, often achieving finality in a matter of seconds. This speed makes HBAR one of the fastest blockchain-based platforms available today, opening up a wide range of possibilities for real-time applications and high-volume transaction environments. The DAG structure of the Hashgraph algorithm also contributes to its scalability. Unlike traditional blockchains, which may face scalability challenges as the network grows, Hedera Hashgraph can handle a significant number of transactions per second without sacrificing performance. This scalability ensures that the HBAR network remains efficient and responsive, even as adoption and transaction volumes increase. Additionally, the Hashgraph algorithm provides fairness in transaction ordering. Unlike some blockchain networks that prioritize transactions based on the computational power of miners, Hashgraph ensures that all participants have equal opportunity to order transactions. This fairness is crucial for creating an inclusive and decentralized ecosystem. In summary, the hashgraph consensus algorithm is the backbone of the BAR network, utilizing a directed acyclic graph structure to achieve consensus among nodes. This innovative technology enables BAR transactions to be confirmed quickly, typically within seconds, making it one of the fastest blockchain-based platforms available today. With its scalability, security, and fairness, the hashgraph algorithm positions BAR as a powerful cryptocurrency with tremendous potential for various real-world applications. Key features and use cases. BAR's impressive technology not only provides speed but also offers a high level of security. The hashgraph consensus algorithm implemented by Hedera Hashgraph has built-in mechanisms to prevent various malicious activities, including double spending and Sybil attacks. Double spending is a significant concern in digital currencies, where an individual can attempt to spend the same funds multiple times. However, the hashgraph algorithm ensures that all transactions are accurately and uniquely ordered, making it practically impossible for double spending to occur on the BAR network. This robust security measure adds a layer of trust and reliability to BAR transactions. Sybil attacks, where an attacker creates multiple fake identities to gain control over the network, are also mitigated by the hashgraph algorithm. The algorithm takes into account the reputation of nodes and the information flow among them, making it extremely difficult for an attacker to manipulate the consensus process by controlling a large number of nodes. This ensures the integrity and security of the BAR network. In addition to security, BAR's scalability is another standout feature. The Hedera network is designed to handle a vast number of transactions per second, making it highly suitable for various use cases that require high throughput. This scalability is achieved through the combination of the hashgraph consensus algorithm and the DAG structure, which allows multiple transactions to be processed concurrently, significantly increasing the network's capacity. The ability to handle high transaction volumes opens up opportunities for applications in finance, supply chain management, gaming, decentralized applications, and more. BAR scalability ensures that the network can support the demands of these industries and provide efficient and reliable transaction processing. By offering both strong security measures and impressive scalability, BAR distinguishes itself as a cryptocurrency that can meet the needs of diverse use cases, attracting businesses and individuals looking for a secure, scalable, and high-performance blockchain platform. Hedera Hashgraph's BAR brings a range of key features to the table. Its hashgraph consensus algorithm provides a high level of security, preventing double spending and Sybil attacks. Additionally, BAR scalability allows for the processing of a vast number of transactions per second, making it suitable for various use cases requiring speed and efficiency. These features position BAR as a cryptocurrency with immense potential for secure, scalable, and practical blockchain applications. Hedera Hashgraph's BAR technology offers a wide range of use cases across multiple industries, making it an attractive choice for businesses seeking reliable and efficient blockchain solutions. In the finance industry, BAR's speed and scalability make it well suited for high-volume transaction environments. It can be utilized for fast and secure cross-border payments, remittances, and settlements. BAR's secure consensus algorithm ensures the integrity of financial transactions, while its scalability allows for handling the demands of a global financial system. Supply chain management is another area where BAR's technology can make a significant impact. The transparency and immutability of blockchain technology, combined with BAR's efficiency, enable end-to-end traceability and authentication of goods throughout the supply chain. This helps prevent counterfeiting, reduces fraud, and enhances overall supply chain efficiency and trust. The gaming industry can also benefit from BAR's capabilities. With its fast transaction confirmation time, BAR can facilitate seamless in-game transactions, including the purchase of digital assets, virtual goods, and gaming rewards. The secure and fair nature of BAR ensures a trusted gaming ecosystem, providing a better user experience for gamers. Decentralized applications, DApps, can leverage BAR's technology to build innovative solutions. The speed and scalability of the network allow for the development of DApps that can handle a large number of users and transactions, without compromising on performance. BAR's security features provide a robust foundation for decentralized applications, enabling trustless interactions and secure data storage. HBAR's technology has the potential to transform identity management, voting systems, supply chain finance, and many other industries. Its speed, security, and fairness make it an attractive choice for businesses seeking blockchain solutions that can provide efficiency, transparency, and trust in their operations. HBAR's technology opens up a world of possibilities across various industries. From finance and supply chain management to gaming and decentralized applications, HBAR's speed, security, and fairness make it an attractive choice for businesses looking for reliable and efficient blockchain solutions. As adoption of HBAR and the HBAR network continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases and applications emerge, transforming industries and driving forward the adoption of blockchain technology. HBAR Governing Council and Consensus Nodes. One unique and distinguishing aspect of HBAR Hashgraph is its governing structure, which sets it apart from many other blockchain networks. The HBAR network is overseen by the HBAR Governing Council, a diverse group of leading global organizations that collectively guide and govern the network. The HBAR Governing Council consists of up to 39 renowned organizations from various industries and geographies. These council members represent a wide range of sectors, including technology, finance, telecommunications, healthcare, and more. The presence of diverse organizations ensures that different perspectives and expertise are brought to the table when making important decisions regarding the network's development and governance. The Council's primary role is to ensure the integrity, decentralization, and stability of the HBAR network. They actively participate in strategic decision-making, setting policies, and establishing technical standards for the network's operation. This collaborative approach ensures that the network benefits from the collective wisdom and experience of industry leaders across different sectors. The HBAR Governing Council operates on a rotational model, ensuring that no single organization can maintain control over the network. The council members serve limited terms, after which new members are elected to maintain the decentralization and diversity of the council. This rotational model enhances the network's resilience and guards against concentration of power. The governing structure of the HBAR Hashgraph network, through the HBAR Governing Council, adds an extra layer of credibility, transparency, and trust. It helps foster a cooperative and collaborative environment where decisions are made in the best interest of the network and its participants. The involvement of leading global organizations also contributes to the network's adoption and credibility among businesses and institutions. The HBAR Governing Council plays a crucial role in overseeing the HBAR Hashgraph network. Comprised of diverse leading global organizations, the Council ensures the network's integrity, decentralization, and stability. Their collective expertise and decision-making contribute to the development and governance of the HBAR network, fostering a transparent and trustworthy ecosystem. Consensus nodes in the HBAR Hashgraph network play a vital role in maintaining the operations and security of the network. These nodes are responsible for confirming transactions, reaching consensus on the order of transactions, and securing the network against malicious activities. One significant advantage of HBAR Hashgraph's consensus node model is its environmentally friendly approach. Unlike traditional blockchain networks that rely on energy-intensive mining processes, HBAR Hashgraph's consensus nodes operate on a more sustainable and energy-efficient basis. In the HBAR network, consensus is achieved through a virtual voting process among the nodes, which requires significantly less computational power and energy consumption compared to traditional proof-of-work (POW), or even proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanisms. This energy-efficient approach reduces the carbon footprint associated with maintaining the network's operations, making it an attractive choice for those concerned about sustainability and the environmental impact of blockchain technology. By utilizing a more environmentally friendly consensus mechanism, HBAR Hashgraph aligns with a growing global focus on sustainability and green technology. This approach not only reduces energy consumption but also mitigates the ecological impact typically associated with blockchain networks, making it a responsible and forward-thinking choice for businesses and individuals. The use of consensus nodes enhances the security and decentralization of the HBAR network. These nodes are distributed across different organizations and geographies, ensuring that no single entity can control the network. This distributed nature of consensus nodes further enhances the network's resilience against attacks and ensures that no single point of failure exists. Hedera Hashgraph's consensus node model provides an environmentally friendly approach to securing and maintaining the network. By using a more sustainable consensus mechanism that requires less energy consumption compared to traditional blockchain networks, Hedera Hashgraph offers an attractive option for those seeking sustainable blockchain solutions. The use of consensus nodes also enhances network security and decentralization, further solidifying Hedera Hashgraph as a responsible and innovative platform in the blockchain space. HBAR's partnerships and future outlook. HBAR's journey extends beyond its technological advancements, as it actively seeks partnerships with organizations from diverse sectors, both within the cryptocurrency space and traditional industries. These collaborations are focused on harnessing the power of HBAR's technology to drive innovation and create tangible real-world solutions. By partnering with established organizations, HBAR aims to leverage their expertise and industry knowledge to explore new use cases and expand the reach of its technology. These partnerships can bring HBAR into industries such as finance, healthcare, supply chain management, gaming, and more, paving the way for transformative applications and solutions. Collaborations with traditional industries allow for the integration of blockchain technology into existing systems, optimizing processes, enhancing security, and creating new business models. HBAR's unique features, such as speed, scalability, security, and fairness, make it an attractive choice for organizations seeking blockchain solutions that can drive efficiency and innovation. In the cryptocurrency space, partnerships with exchanges, wallets, and other blockchain projects help foster the adoption and liquidity of HBAR. As more platforms and services support HBAR, it becomes more accessible to a broader range of users, contributing to the growth of the ecosystem. The expanding ecosystem and growing adoption of HBAR are indicators of its immense potential for the future. As more organizations recognize the benefits of HBAR's technology, its use cases will continue to expand, creating a virtuous cycle of adoption, development, and innovation. This growing ecosystem positions HBAR as a promising cryptocurrency with a bright future ahead. HBAR's journey involves forging partnerships with various organizations in both the crypto space and traditional industries. These collaborations aim to leverage HBAR's technology to drive innovation and create real-world solutions. With an expanding ecosystem and growing adoption, HBAR holds immense potential for the future, paving the way for transformative applications and driving the broader adoption of blockchain technology. Looking ahead, the future for HBAR holds great potential and exciting developments. As more developers join the Hedera network, we can anticipate a growing ecosystem of decentralized applications, DApps, and projects built on top of HBAR. This influx of developers brings fresh ideas and innovation, expanding the range of use cases and driving the adoption of HBAR as a platform for building decentralized solutions. The continuous advancement of the Hedera Hashgraph consensus algorithm also plays a crucial role in shaping the future of HBAR. As the technology evolves, we can expect improvements in the network's performance and scalability. The Hedera team is dedicated to enhancing the efficiency and throughput of the network, allowing it to handle even higher transaction volumes and support more complex applications. These advancements in performance and scalability are essential for the widespread adoption of HBAR across various industries. They ensure that the network remains responsive and capable of meeting the demands of real-world use cases that require fast and efficient transaction processing. As the HBAR ecosystem expands and the network matures, we may also see increased interoperability with other blockchain platforms. Collaborations and partnerships that bridge different blockchain networks can unlock new possibilities and foster a more connected and interoperable blockchain ecosystem. Additionally, regulatory developments and the integration of HBAR into mainstream financial systems could contribute to its wider adoption. As governments and regulatory bodies develop frameworks for blockchain technology, the compliance and regulatory-friendly nature of HBAR may position it favorably in the evolving regulatory landscape. The future of HBAR looks promising with the anticipation of more developers joining the network, leading to an increase in decentralized applications and projects built on top of HBAR. The continuous advancement of the Hedera Hashgraph consensus algorithm will enhance the network's performance and scalability, making it more robust and capable of handling a broader range of use cases. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.